Hi everybody. I wanted to show you how you can quickly scan to a PDF and upload homework documents or any other kind of documents to your teacher. I've got a homework that I've just completed here. I'm resting it on a dark background and I'm about to upload it to the teacher. So here's how you can scan using your iPhone and any recent iOS software. So there's a Notes app that comes from Apple on your phone. So if you click on that Notes app, and I'm in the folder setting here. I'm going to actually make a new folder here because I'm going to be scanning lots of assignments, lots of documents here. So on my phone, I'm going to create that new folder, and I'm just going to call it Assignments. So I'll save that there. And when I'm ready to scan a new document in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that folder, and I'm going to click down here for a new document here. So I'll click on that. And you may have a plus sign there. You may have this little menu there. Either way, you can see there's a little camera there. I'm going to select that camera there, and it's going to give me the option of taking a photo. I'm not going to take a photo. I'm actually going to scan a document. So it's built in. Scan a document there, and it says position the document in view. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take my camera over here, place it over the document, and if it's too close, it won't fit in there, and if it's too far away, it won't really work. So you want to get it adjusted to where that piece of paper, especially on a dark background, can easily be identified by the phone. And when you do, it'll highlight it and then scan it in there. And if you have more pages, you can just hold up the phone while you flip the page over and then get the next one in view. And then I've got one more here, so I'll just put that in there and get the phone adjusted. And once you've gotten all those scanned in there, you can see it's still waiting for another scan, but I'm kind of done here. So I'm going to click Save. And it will try to give it a name based on what it can read on there, but since it can't really read what I've put in there, I'm actually just going to say I'm done here. And if I take a look at that, and if I click on that title, it'll show me what that looks like, and that's a pretty nice little scan there that I've put together. I'm actually going to click on the title up here so I can rename it whatever I want. And because my teacher is going to be organizing all these things, I'm going to put my last name in first, and then my first initial, and then I'll call it, homework 1 or whatever it is that my teacher is asking me to call it. I'll save that. And now that I'm done, I can go back and see, yeah, that's a good looking document. And I'm going to actually upload it now. So here's the upload button. I'll click on that. I've got lots of options here. I don't see my Google Drive listed, so I'm going to click on More. And there's my Google Drive right there. So this opens up the Google Drive. I can click on my account there, find a folder, select a folder. And maybe my teacher has shared a folder with me and I can look in there. For my physics students, it would be AP Physics. They'll find out, in this case, where that folder should go, and they'll go ahead and upload that. Save here, and then I'll click the one I'm saving. That's the one right there, and I'll go ahead and upload that. It looks like it's uploading both of those files there, and I've now submitted my assignment. I'm all set to go. I hope that helps.